Hi, I'm Chef Carrie with the Food Channel. Now here's an idea for a lunch or light dinner with a surprise ingredient.
Asian chicken salad. Blanch your asparagus by placing it in boiling water until it turns a vibrant green. Depending on how thick the stalks are, it takes anywhere between 2 and 4 minutes. To stop the cooking, move the asparagus into a bowl of ice water. Now it's time for the good stuff. Combine all the dressing ingredients in a bowl and start to whisk. At first it may look separated, but keep whisking and it'll eventually come together. In another large bowl, combine shredded chicken, asparagus, sliced red bell peppers, green onions, and the dressing. Mix it up and serve it over a bed of greens. Absolutely gorgeous.
This is a treat for the taste buds. Now get in the kitchen.